That's what I mean. This is delivery number 4 and this is delivery number 15. So this is a missed up delivery locations, like 15 deliveries number 15 and delivery number 1 and 2 and 3, all of them, they are beside each other. That's why I have to pick them by myself. Like right now I'm going to delivery number 15. After that I'm gonna go to delivery number 4.
Turn right onto Calgary Road, C337.
It is now 2 hours. I am delivering for 2 hours right now. Oh, a guy stops in the middle of the road. I'm delivering for 2 hours right now.
Turn right onto Calgary Road.
Now it is 5:30, and I picked my delivery 3:30 or 3:45. So it's almost 2 hours. Like I'm driving for right now for 2 hours. And
In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
and the delivery itself, it is 3 hour
Turn left. Then arrive at
deliveries.
the destination on your right.
It's very narrow road. Let's give this guy an option, an opportunity. It is 3.5 hour delivery. Oh, that's very nice house.
Arrive at the destination on your right.
Book folder 60. Where should I drop it? Alright, front door. Successful deliveries is 21 deliveries. To do is 11 deliveries. And now it is 2 hours. So there is 1 hour left for this delivery to finish, and I have to go to Newry.
Navigation started. Southeast on Calgary Road, C337 for half a mile. Navigation started. Southeast on Calgary Road, C337 for half a mile.
I have. Hopefully guys you enjoy these deliveries. If you enjoy them, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on TikTok and on Facebook also. If you enjoy my work, please follow me on TikTok and Facebook, and also subscribe to my channel on YouTube. I'm just gonna stop here. I'm not gonna go in there. I don't wanna go in. Two envelopes and one book folder. 56 and 10. 56 and 10. 56. What? Alright, 39, 56, 10. That's 56 and 10. And that's 39. Now I need to find 10. It is here beside me. It tells me that you are outside of delivery area and I have to go inside there. Ooh, that's very deep. I should drive in. Nice house. As I said, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe my channel in YouTube, and then follow me on TikTok, and follow me on Facebook, all under the same name, POV on the go. Let's go to this 14.
Navigation started. Continue east on Sheepbridge Road, C337. Then in 800 feet make a hard right turn onto Belfast Road.
That's good.
In a quarter of a mile turn left onto Thermal Road, C339. Turn left onto Thermal Road, C339. In half a mile turn right.
Do you hear my car, guys? It's roaring. It is roaring because it is very high road. I'm so exhausted. We finally arrived to delivery number 14, which is a
Keep left.
very messed up delivery. This is number 24. Keep left. That's keep right, it's not keep left. Did I come here before? I remember these houses. Yes.
In 500 feet, arrive at the destination on your right.
Last time I got the same confusion.
Arrive at the destination on your right.
People, they have hello 62. Sorry, recording. Right. Oh my god. These people, they have